Om Namo Venkateshaya. Today's Nadaradhana is performed by Ramanujam Poyapakam. Ramanujam is a student of Padma Shri Sri Palgad K.V. Narayanaswamy and Srimati Padma Narayanaswamy. He lives in Atlanta, Georgia, active in the Atlanta music community and teaches locally in Atlanta. He is also active with both Sri Krishna Vrindavan and Atlanta Hindu Temple to perform on festive occasions. Raman loves and enjoys teaching music and has performed both in the US in Atlanta, Augusta, Nashville area and also in India in Chennai. Raman works as full-time employee in leadership role for the retail service software company based in Atlanta. On violin, we have Pranavi Srinivasa. She learns music under the tutelage of Sri Lakshmi Narayana Venkatraman. Pranavi also receives vocal training from Sri Prashant Krishnamurthy and Vidushi Amrita Murali. Pranavi has won awards at several competitions for violin and vocal categories, including the Tambura Prize for Guru Guhamrita 2022, Ragaridham 2020 Global Competitions, Sama Arts 2020 Global Competition, Papanasham Shiva Saptami and more. She has also played violin for several dance and vocal arrangements. Pranavi is a second-year student at the University of Georgia, where she co-founded Sadhana, the college's first Indian classical music organization. Now let's give an applause to Raman. Now we have on Mridangam support by Siddhartha Poyapakam, son of Sri Raman Poyapakam, and started his vocal Carnatic training under his guidance at the age of 5. Having trained for a few years, he then pursued the Mridangam under the tutelage of Sri Santosh Chandru in Atlanta and still continues to learn. While living in India for a couple of years, he also learned under Sri Manoj Shiva in Chennai. Siddhartha accompanies artists in the Atlanta area. Siddhartha has a Bachelor of Science degree in Neuroscience from Georgia State University. He will be performing a Master's degree in Biomedical Engineering this fall at Northwestern University. Congratulations. Let's welcome all the artists and enjoy the beautiful performance by Raman and his team. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna. I want to thank SP Temple Board of Trustees for giving us this opportunity. Thank you very much. And with prayers to Lord Shri Krishna and the star of Jai Shri Krishna. One